this is also on the agenda of the G20 because we think technology-driven crypto asset creation and buying and selling of assets in the crypto world will have to have international cooperation.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven, TONIC fam, Crow fam. I am back with some more bullish content like always, guys. Feeling super bullish. You know, these are the times you DCA into the markets, guys. You DCA. Stop thinking about the short-term moves. Build your bag. Build your bag and wait until, you know, the bull run, the top of the cycle is here. And then you ride, you know, your way up and then take profits on the way up. It's that simple, guys. Fundamental projects like TONIC and Crow will absolutely crush it, okay? I showed you guys time and time again, TONIC follows the Crow chart literally, you know, exactly. Both move at the same pace to the lead market mover, which is Bitcoin, okay? So Crow follows the lead market mover Bitcoin right here, and then TONIC follows Crow because it is built on the ecosystem, right? TONIC has definitely a huge amount of upside, but don't rule out that Crow because of how much of mass adoption it'll have. Crypto.com, retail investors using Crypto.com has also a huge amount of upside, guys. So be patient. When you see red days, this is when you DCA into the markets. We're gonna be going into India and their take on crypto. There's a lot of excuse me, a lot of news recently with countries, more and more countries accepting and, you know, adding crypto, like dipping their toes and starting to get more and more into crypto as time goes by. And it's only a matter of time until the old financial system is obsolete and the new financial system with digital assets like Crow, TONIC, decentralized finance take over. If this is something that you're interested in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Support all my previous videos as well, guys. I really appreciate all the support. And if you can, please become a channel member to get shout outs in my future videos as well. And you know, it also helps to support the channel because, you know, the YouTube ad revenue is not that great with you know, the crypto channel viewership, right? So if you can support, I'd really appreciate it. Right here we have from Rohit in the G20 summit closing remarks. Finance Minister of India Nirmala welcomed her support for crypto assets of Fred. The finance minister emphasized the need to build and understand the macro financial implications of crypto assets to inform a coordinated global policy on cryptocurrency. She also thanked the IMF for putting together a comprehensive paper on macro financial implications of crypto assets for deliberation by the G20. Okay, these are what we like to see. They're already putting together the documents to push and try to get more and more of adoption to take place. This is what happens when you see the start of a bull run, right? We could be, you know, I don't think we're gonna ever have a big drop again. I really think right now we're just gonna be in that, you know, accumulation phase, but we're gonna be in the trend of up and to the right, slowly, steadily, until we have that huge slingshot explosive move, right? With her support for crypto assets, the finance minister underlined the need to coordinate and complement G20 efforts to support responsible technological innovations and safeguard the stability of the financial system. This is a significant step towards the global recognition and acceptance of crypto assets as a legitimate asset class. Okay, if this is not bullish to you guys, I don't know what is. The future of crypto assets looks brighter than ever before with the growing support and recognition from policymakers and regulators around the world. Right here, once again, Joining forces with G20 India is detailed discussions with G20 members on how to regulate crypto. Regulation, once it's done correctly, will be great for the markets, guys, because we need the institutional money to come into the space. I know for a fact a lot of them are already buying. They've been buying since the FTX crash. They've been DCAing it on the way down, dollar cost averaging on the way down, and right now they've been accumulating. I know for a fact they are. The smart money, the huge whale hedge fund money have already been accumulating. But with regulation, we'll have a lot more huge companies, trillion-dollar companies get into the space, guys. And that's what you like to see. They'll also, I truly believe, will take interest and, have their eyes on projects like Crypto.com, the Cronos ecosystem, and DeFi projects like TONIC, because these are the type of technologies that are disruptors of previous technologies. Out with the old and in with the new is what I say, okay? From Cryptoverse, India Finance Minister and Yellen also discussed global debt vulnerabilities, crypto assets, and health. Finance Ministry. India Finance Minister and Japanese Finmin discussed debt related issues, coordinated policy for crypto assets. India Finance Ministry. So it's already happening. It's right there for you guys to see, right there in your face. You can see it taking place from Hong Kong and China to India. It's only a matter of time until we have, that mass adoption where the technology of crypto, the DeFi aspects of TONIC, the blockchain aspects of Crow start to shine, right? We have a video right here to close things out. This is at the G20 summit. Someone asked a question on, let me have the name once again, Nirmala's thoughts on crypto, and they're thinking about putting together a crypto bill.
Definitely, there was a quote as well that during India's G20 presidency, the country will take this as a, what all can be the best. Definitely, we'll look into it. So, what is the government's stand into it?
Well, this is also on the agenda of the G20 because we think technology-driven crypto asset creation and buying and selling of assets in the crypto world will have to have international cooperation because they can be anywhere but operate in India.
International cooperation, guys, that is super bullish. So the US will embrace crypto, India, China, Russia, all of the big countries will embrace crypto in some way, shape, or form, and that is going to be so bullish for us going into the future, guys. TONIC will shine, Crow will shine, I'm telling you.
But operate in India. They can be in India but operate anywhere else as well. But in order that the concern that you voiced about youngsters going into it, both the regulators and also the National Deposit, the Securities Deposit Center has also done a lot of campaign, and that campaign continues every now and then.
Now, this is the thing. I don't really trust the SEC too much, but, they'll probably set it up in a way, I'm thinking like GBTC, for example. There's Bitcoin, and then there's the stock market Bitcoin, which is GBTC. DeFi, they'll never be able to control DeFi. So TONIC and its protocols will, to me, never have to deal with, stablecoin staking is banned, or you can't stake, you can't do this. But there'll be companies that still, institutional companies, hedge funds that still take advantage of these DeFi protocols as they do their research and get into it from, how should I, is it I think it's called ETF trading assets. They'll that's how they'll get into the space, and then they'll have more people that dive even much deeper, and those will be the institutional investors that dive so much deeper, get into projects like Crow, TONIC, and their ecosystem. It's just a matter of time, guys. TONIC fam, Crow fam, thank you guys so much for tuning in. As always, really appreciate all the support that you guys are giving me. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and if you can, please become a channel member. Shout outs in my future videos, and it also helps to support the channel, guys. Thank you guys so much once again, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.